Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, Simple Life with Karina. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and comment. Today I'm gonna go for shopping. Wala lang window shopping. But before that, let's start magkape because I need energy.
Grazie.
Punta tayo sa Massimo Dutti. I always like Massimo Dutti. The first Massimo Dutti shirt that I bought, that was at least 22 years ago. Back then sa Shangri-La Mall sa Rojas, sa EDSA. Kasi meron alam yung Shangri-La Mall sa EDSA. I like this brand kasi it's very maganda siya, malinis yung cutting. Parang ayan, I choose nude or black. Of course, I bought black kasi madaling isuot yung black. Pang everyday na black. Those are the nude colors. Yun yung mga sale, 70%. So, gusto ko yung mga dito pang winter. Ayun ang maganda. Diba? Very nice. Maganda siya. Parang siya yung tipo ng damit.
It's nice.
Na hindi ako bastusin, pero hindi ako virgin. Parang ako ay babaeng marangal. Pero yun parang tipong ganon, mabait, pang babait na aura. Ayan, gusto ko yung green na dress. Ewan ko green ba kulay dyan, basta marami siyang kulay. I try it on, but it's not, doesn't say anything about me. Parang hindi ako. Parang babae yung dress. Bagay ito siya sa mga Korean, Japanese, alam mo yun, ng ganong pattern. Tsaka maganda yung nila, yung shop nila. Malinis. What I mean is very organized.
This is nice black.
Parang OCD na parang lagi
How
naka-organize.
much is
Yung
this?
gusto ko yung trench coat na yan. Trench coat pa tawag dyan. Basta yan, basta coat.
2690.
Balikan ko siya pag nasa mood ako
Basic
mamili
black?
at magsukat-sukat.
This is nice.
At this moment, trip ko lang manggulo ng sales lady. Manggulo.
How much?
Anyway, bumili naman ako isang dress. Mura lang siya. Kasi naka-sale. So beautiful. Look at those shoes. Maganda yung shoes nila. Kaya lang what I learned through the years, kung bibili ka ng shoes, dapat dun ka bumili sa brand they are really specializing shoes. Kasi maganda yung basta you will understand what I mean. And I know you understand what I mean. Maganda yung pants. I like these pants. Pero hindi ko siya binili kasi I'm a dress person. Lalo na pag summer, mas maganda ang dress. Pantalon kasi yung init-init. Para mainit sa legs, hindi makakahinga yung legs ko. I tried this on, kaya lang hindi yung nude na dress. Hindi ko alam, para hindi bagay sa akin. Next time na lang. Yan, lahat ng nasa rack. Ayan, dyan. 70% off. See, this is the dress that I'm wearing, the purple one, that's DBF. Marami akong DBF na dress. Next time, ko siya, i-review ko siya, char. Maganda naman siya. Maganda yung dresses. This one is very lovely. Kaya lang pag isuot ko siya, parang hindi bagay sa akin. Yun lang. Isa lang binili ko yung black na dress. Thank you for watching. See you next time.